Welcome, lovely chiquitas. I'm about to make a burger sandwich, something of the sort. I have some Canadian bacon and cooked ham. I have my chiffon, my cornbread for my bread. I have some mustard, some honey, some mayo, some barbecue sauce, some pickles, some scotch bonnet, lettuce, tomato, and of course cheese. So I'm just pat drying these meats with my paper towel, and then I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce on it and place it in the oven on high until it's caramelized. I'm using the Canadian bacon, sorry. However, you can use the regular bacon with more fat, because why not? Anyway, I'm using the Canadian bacon, so yeah. I'm about to put the barbecue sauce over it. You can prepare your own garlic barbecue sauce from scratch, but I love this brand, so I'm using it. And it has some nice garlic chunks in it, so yeah. So now that's in the oven. Time to get started on my sauce, my honey mustard sauce. I'm coming in with some Dijon mustard. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons or so. You can call it that. You can make as much as you want. Just add to your taste, I guess. And to that, I'm adding half the amount of yellow mustard. Now I'm just going to add my mayo, and please nobody store your mayonnaise bottle down, because this will happen to you. Stored it down, all of it piled to the bottom, and as soon as I opened it, mayo everywhere. Anyway, I just added like the same amount of mayo as the Dijon mustard. So yeah, you can just add to your taste, and that's what I did. Now I'm going to come in with my Scotch bonnet pepper, because it's going to be a spicy mustard, honey mustard sauce, and I like it spicy. Add to your taste. If you don't like spicy, omit it from it, and yeah, it's as simple as that. So now I'm coming in with my honey, and just like a teaspoon of honey. Now I'm going to, this wasn't at the beginning of the video, but I added in after. I'm going to add some garlic powder. This one has parsley in it, so yeah, it'll give it some more flavor to it. And I'm just going to stir and stir, bring it together. So at this point, I'm just going to give it a taste and add some more Dijon mustard. You can add yellow mustard if you want. I'm adding more Dijon mustard. I want it to be balanced, so I want both sweet and tangy to be coming through. You can do it how you prefer. If you want more sweet to be coming through, do that. If you want more tanginess to be coming through, do that. Do you, boo boo. Anyway, I'm just mixing this together. Yeah, I'm just mixing it together, and then I'm gonna put it on the fridge and let it rest. You see, this is the consistency I currently have. When I put it on the fridge, it'll be more firmer. So I gotta cut my bread. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut the bread and put it on the oven. Watch, trying to cut it in half. However, it's not going to be equal, because your girl had no straight. Alright, don't straight. So yeah, I'm cutting it, and this is what I got. Not completely a half, but it can work with. Yeah, feel it can work with. So you remember that chiffon? Well, I melted it, and I'm gonna glaze it over my buns. Yeah, this is the only buns I got. I don't got no buns round the back. That rhyme. Anyway, I'm just gently glazing my buns, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it get toasted. Yay! Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in the oven and make it get toasted. I crack myself up sometimes. So yeah, okay, enough of that. So So we want it look more restaurantish, so we're gonna come in with some sesame seeds. Sesame seeds. Yeah, and just dab and let it look all pretty. Oven time now, and when we come back, assemble. So yeah, you see that nice toast, and this is the sauce, and you see it got a little bit thicker. Right consistency. So here is our meat, looking all caramelized and yummy. Oh my god, it's so tasty. I had to take a piece. Anyway, let's get spreading our sauce. So now it's really time to assemble. So I'm just going to come in with my ham first. Place that down. So from here on out, it's pretty straightforward. Just going to assemble the rest of the ingredients. But while I'm assembling that, I'm going to show you on the left how I made my seasoned sweet potato fries that will be accompanied with this. So I pre-cooked my potatoes and then I rinsed it off with some cold water to stop the cooking. So this is how the potato look after I cool. I'm gonna drain it in some paper towels. Then I know we'll add the oil and we'll add in the potatoes. 1, 2, 3 that. So we're going to take out a potato now. Put it in the paper towel. Then immediately we're going to add our seasonings. So this is my special concoction and it turned out pretty good, I must say. I added cinnamon powder, this garlic powder with parsley, some salt and sugar. Yo, it's nice. It's nice with the sweet potato. Because you know it's a sweet potato. It obviously go good with cinnamon, right? Tastes real good. Anyway, I'm just shake this round and I kind of put the cheese to melt in the microwave. So yeah. So now that our cheese is melted, time to add our veggies, because we never want our veggies to get saggy, right? Nobody eats saggy veggies on a burger. Nah. So anyway, we'll just add our pickles. I mean, if you don't like pickles, go ahead. Me remember one time I never like it. I used to eat it when I was little, but you know, your taste buds change as you grow older. Now it's nice. So yeah, I add my pickle and my tomato now. I'm just gonna add 2 tomato, 2 slices. Yeah, and then I'm gonna try set up my little lettuce, the right and proper way. You know, make it look like a nice. This one I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna break the little stem because it is too stiff. I'm just gonna set it up. And then I'm gonna put some mustard sauce over it. Just drizzle it over. And not really drizzle like them fancy restaurateur or chef there, I should say, because restaurateur if you want a restaurant, right? So the chef, not drizzle like them fancy chef there. So, but as I said, I'm a home cook. So I think that's enough sauce for now. I'm just going to add some on this side of the bread. And in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.2 seconds, that's a made up number, you'll see the outcome. Stick around and voila. Remember guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please remember to share and comment, and most importantly, subscribe, pretty please. And see you next time. Bye bye.